This is an example of compound interest question. We will use time diagram to figure out the question. The word save means that is principal. So our P is 15,000. 3 years later, withdraw 7,000 means that negative 7,000 after 3 years. The question asks to find the balance after withdraw 7,000. So from the question we know that our K is 6%, that is 0.06, and frequency of conversion M given by 12. From the formula, N equals to MT, so our N should be 12 times 3 is 36, and our I equals to K over M, that is 0.06 divided by 12. First, we have to find future value of compound interest, which is S equals to P 1 plus I power of N. Our principal is 15,000. 1 plus 0.06 over 12 power of 36. Then we have RM 17950.21. Then we have to find the balance. So our balance should be our future value 17950.21 minus 7,000. So final answer is RM 10950.21. This is a sample of final exam question in this topic. We have to draw time diagram to figure out the question. Rizalman invested 5,500. The word invested means that is our principal 5,500. Our time is 5 years. Interest rate is 0.06. Our M quarterly should be 4. 3 years after his deposit, the bank changed the interest rate to 8%, that is our K 0.08, compounded semi-annually, so our M should be 2. So we have to divide into 2 sections. The first one, our time is 3 years for the first 3 years. Then our time here should be 5 minus 3 is 2 years. For the first 3 years, our I from K over M, therefore we have 0.06 divided by 4. Then our n is empty. So our n is 4 times 3 is 12. For the next 3 years, we have to calculate I again. So from I equals to K over M, we have 0.08 divided by 2, and our n is empty. So we have 2 times 2, that is 4. Then we have to I. For the first 3 years, I1. For the next 3 years is I2. We have to N N1. And for the next 3 years is N2. For this question, we need to expand the compound interest formula, which is S equals to P 1 plus I1 power of N1 times 1 plus I2 power of N2. Our principal is 5,500 times 1 plus I1 is 0.06 over 4 power of N1, that is 12, times 1 plus I2 0.08 over 2 power of N2, that is 4. Then we have RM 7692.87.